I'm testing the Ancheer 500W electric bike today, and I'll give you a fast, honest verdict after riding it. First impressions? The build feels surprisingly solid for the price. The frame is lightweight, and assembly took me about an hour straight out of the box. The 500W motor gives decent acceleration, especially on flat roads. I did notice it struggles a bit on steep hills, but that's expected at this price point. Battery life is okay, giving me roughly 25-35 kilometers per charge, depending on pedal assist level. Comfort-wise, the seat is a bit firm, but the suspension helps smooth out bumps on rough roads. So, is it worth your money? Honestly, yes, if you want an affordable entry-level e-bike for commuting or casual rides. It won't beat premium models, but for the price, it delivers solid value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Drop your questions in the comments if you want a longer range test or off-road review next. I'll also compare it with other budget e-bikes soon, so stay tuned for that.